Okay, come closer. If you ever come home tired, exhausted, and still need to make dinner, this right here is the recipe you need in your life. Because this one pot beef rice is ridiculously easy, packed with flavors, and tastes like something you ordered from a restaurant. It is very simple to make, perfect for any day of the week, and tastes amazing. Did I just say amazing? Yes, it does taste amazing. Okay, let me show you how I made this. We're starting with all of our ingredients laid out. I'm using a long grain basmati rice, ground beef, fresh parsley, fresh thyme, and some fresh rosemary that I'll be using to garnish my dish at the end. And some canola oil. Feel free to use any vegetable oils of your choice. I equally have some garlic, some onions, some smoked paprika, black pepper, chicken broth mix, some salt to taste, and of course, the main ingredient that's gonna bring out that pop of color is our red bell peppers right here. Mine are frozen. Feel free to use those that are fresh from the store. Okay, let's get into the procedure. So I'm gonna start by blending my garlic, parsley, and onions together. Make sure it's not completely smooth, just enough to get everything finely crushed with a little texture left. Then I set that aside and blend my red bell peppers until smooth. And now for the fun part. In a clean pot goes just enough oil to lightly coat the bottom of the pot. Add in the ground beef and break it apart as it cooks. Let it brown beautifully as this step builds so much flavor. Once brown, season with salt, black pepper, then add in half of that garlic, onion, and parsley blend. Give everything a really good stir. At this point alone, beautiful souls, the aroma is already incredible. Next, pour in the blended red bell peppers. And this right here, beautiful souls, is the transformation moment. Look at that color. It is bright, rich, and vibrant. This is what gives the rice that beautiful signature glow. Add more smoked paprika, your chicken broth mix, fresh thyme, and a little more oil. Now add in your washed basmati rice. Mix everything together thoroughly so every grain gets coated in all that flavor. And trust me, beautiful souls, the smell at this stage is unreal. Then rinse out every leftover goodness from the blender with water and pour it right into the pot. Add a little more water if needed, and give it one final stir. Cover your pot and let it cook on low to medium heat. This part right here is very important. Low to medium heat gives you perfectly cooked rice without burning the bottom. After about 20 minutes, check on your pot. If the rice needs more time, add just a little hot water. Never add cold water, please. Don't add cold water to this, please. Cover your pot again and let it finish steaming. And there you have it, beautiful souls. Fluffy, rich, deeply flavored one-pot beef rice made with simple ingredients but giving full luxury dinner energy. Serve it just as it is or pair it with your favorite protein. I'm serving mine with some oven grilled chicken for that perfect complete meal. If you want to learn how to grill your oven that will come out very nice and juicy, check out the video I will link here for you. And honestly, beautiful souls, this is the kind of dinner that saves you on busy weeknights, but still makes you feel like you really cooked. It is simple, but tastes very delicious. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy recipes that taste incredible. And don't forget to check out my other videos because there's more homemade goodness coming your way. And until next time, see you in the next episode of Rabia Unfolded. Cheers.